Deadline na ng thesis ko. Pero may work pa rin ako. Ano kayang uunahin ko? Pagod na ako. Help me, Doc Gia.
Ano nangyari?
Doc, sabay-sabay.
Don't worry, pag-uusapan natin kung paano natin yan ibabalance only here on G-Talks. Hi everyone, this is Doc Gia Season.
And this is Pro Bro at super excited ako dito sa topic natin, Working Students Guide to Pressure.
Dami natin ganyan. So anyway, alam mo ba na according to the data of Commission on Higher Education in 2022, there are about 216,000 working students in the country. May mga working students na actually nagtatanong sa atin. So maybe we can, start from there, no?
Okay, sige Doc. Sabi ni Bianca, patong-patong na yung task ko these days. Sobrang overwhelming na at hindi ko na alam ano bang uunahin ko.
Avoid multitasking. Akala kasi nilang ibang tao, pag nagmo-multitask ka, okay ka. Wow, achiever. But in the end, mababurnout ka kasi. So may technique dyan na ginagamit. Ang tawag doon, Eisenhower Matrix.
Eisenhower Matrix, Doc?
Yes.
Ano yun, Doc?
Yun yung matrix that teaches us kung paano magpa-prioritize. Quadrant 1, important and urgent. Ang gagawin natin dyan is to do it. That's number 1 in your list. Pumunta tayo sa quadrant 2, important but not urgent. Ito naman yung mga bagay na isi-schedule natin. Quadrant 3, urgent pero hindi importante. May ganun ha, try to delegate. And I think dito pumapasok yung importance ng suporta na nakukuha natin from co-workers, from your family and your friends, di ba? And the last quadrant, not important, not urgent, kumbaga, delete mo na yan. Kasi deleting these tasks will not make you any less of a person. Ang importante dyan, you keep your sanity. O eto naman from Alisa Azada. Medyo nahihirapan ako makatulog lately kasi ang ingay ng isip ko, reminding me of the task I need to do. To the point na affected din ang focus ko every day.
Doc, nakaka-relate talaga ako dyan.
I'm sure.
Alam mo, Doc, tinuruan mo ako dito eh. Ang sabi mo sa akin, kapag ganito nararamdaman ko, I need to practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique. 4 seconds, you have to inhale. Then after that, hold for 7. Then you exhale for 8 seconds. So kaya siya tinawag na 4-7-8 technique.
Alam mo ba, Bro, that's why it's effective. When we do take time to stop and breathe, it actually helps increase our oxygenation. And it makes us feel grounded. At mas nakakaisip tayo. It's not an instant, hindi man siya magic. Pero at least it helps calm us down.
Ito naman question ni Rowena Bagaw. Gusto ko pong maging honest sa boss ko na minsan nalilimutan na niyang student din ako. Sa dami-dami ng pinapagawa niya. Pero nakakahiya. Paano ba ito, Doc?
Don't be afraid to ask for help. Huwag kayong matakot humingi ng tulong. You really have to come to a point that you ask for help and support because masyashock ka, madaming tutulong sa'yo. Ito naman from Camille Martinez. I'm the breadwinner of our family and as much as possible, iniiwasan kong isipin na pagod na ako. Wala, tinatakasan ko lang yung feeling.
Doc, alam mo kapag ganyan talaga, you have to practice self-care. Sobrang importante yan, Doc. Alam mo, Doc, anong ginagawa ko?
Ano?
Doc, natutulog ako.
Yun.
Itong mga to, Doc, parang simple lang, pero it makes the world of a difference.
That's true. Alam mo, do not deprive yourself of the things that are right for you. Hindi porket breadwinner ka, ikaw sasalo lahat. You also have a life to live.
So, ito naman, last na to, Doc, ha? Sabi ni Ross Sereno, maraming sacrifices when you're a working student.
Tama.
Minsan naiisip ko, worth it ba lahat ng pagod?
Whenever you find yourself in a space na you're starting to question, start with why you started in the first place. That will return you back to your North Star.
Got it, Doc.
And North Star can be career, can be goals,
Good.
and can be partners in life. But what's important is you take it one day at a time. Because tomorrow's problems may not be your problems today. And so, focus ka muna with your day 1 before you go to your day 2.
life will always be overwhelming. And alam mo, Doc, I think important din talaga meron kang family, may friends ka, may mga kasama ka sa buhay mo na makukuhanan mo ng lakas. And always, make life sweet!
Thank you everyone for joining us in today's episode of G Talks. Thank you so much, Bro.
Thank you, Doc Gia.
Again, this is Doc Gia Season and I'll see you again.